Yo, this is Hill TV. I'm out here with the CEO and the founder, Clinton Hill, Raleigh Truck Fit. You did an amazing job out here, bro.
Definitely. From start to finish, you call, we haul. Got you.
I don't care if it's garbage on the roof. He gonna go get it.
Let me show you how we do it. Come on, Tim. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Good job, boy.
Thank you. Thank you.
One shot, baby.
One shot. That's what we look for.
Raleigh Truck Fit. Support black business. Support small business. This king out here putting in work. It started with a thought, and now it's a machine now.
Now it's a machine.
Now it's a machine.
machine
Hit him up on Facebook.
Now it's a machine.
Get a close up. This is the number. Raleigh Truck Fit.
These are the
Stop
services
playing.
we provide.
This boy out here working.
You already know.
Y'all get to it.
Liberty Kings.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Health, inspiration, love, life.